What's up, guys? Today we're working on the downriggers. We got one up here that's on a Somero laser screed S240. As you can see, we've got one here that's been leaking real bad. These are pretty simple to take off. You got a pin that goes in right here, and it's got one of these little snap rings on it. You take that loose, you knock that pin out, and whenever you do, you come up top up here, and you got one big bolt, which would be this one. It's got a nut on it. It actually just goes through here. You take that nut off, pull that bolt out, and you take your two hydraulic lines loose, which is 11/16, and you pull your whole cylinder out. Once you get the cylinder out, let's see, let me walk up here. Got one turn. We're rebuilding it up here. You can buy these seals if you know where a hydraulic place that sells seals. But yeah, we got different rebuild kits for the seals. But you can take one off. Pretty much what you got is you got this one that goes on here. Then you've got this one. That one slide down, won't go down because I got that rubber seal on there. But that one goes down, and then you got a nut and a washer. Your bolt goes on there, your nut washer goes on there, and then your bolt. If I can get it. And that's 1/8 inch. Pretty much you take that loose, and then you pull these off, and you just replace your seals. I've already replaced these. I've got to here's the ones that come out of it so far. And as you can see, it's pretty eat up. But replace those seals. What I done is I replaced this one, and then I come over here and pulled this one off after I got it. I replaced these. There's two on this. This is actually these two seals. There's a thin one and then a round one. That thin one's got like a cup. It's like cupped on one side right here. You want to face that. That'll go on the back side. You want to face the cup towards your O-ring here. That'll help you. That way it seals it for pushing. The tricky ones are these inside ones. See if I can get my phone propped up here. These inside ones, what you pretty much do on them is you have to pop that out. Then there's another one. This one down in here is a harder one. There we go. Always look at them whenever you pull them out to see which way they go. Make sure there's there's a lip on one side or the other. I've got new ones here, and as you can see, it does have a lip. As you can see, that one, the lip pretty much wore off. But it looks like it was on this side. So what I'll do is I'll put my O-ring back in. Yeah, pretty much you just put your seals back in, and then just put it back together the way you got it tore apart. And that's pretty much. This one here is kind of like tricky because you got to snap that part up in there. You got to kind of work it in as you go. This is about probably the hardest one to get in. Once you get it in, though, you're good. Come on, baby. There we go. It's a little crinkled right there. Yeah, pop. You gotta watch these seals. Got like a little rubber ring on the inside. I'll have to pull this one back out and put that rubber ring back down in there. But yeah, just work that one in. Sometimes it's easier to put grease in it. Just work that one in. And then you take this one. This one, you got a lip right here. Let me wipe it off. You got a little lip on the outside, kind of beveled. You put it to where the lip goes out this way. Then you put it back together, man. Hopefully that'll help. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions, just give me a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can keep up with more of my videos.